Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study again. Now, to start with, our topic for today is about weather. It's about the weather. Are you ready? Okay, let us see. So these are pictures about the different weather. First, weather we have rainy. This is raining. As you can see, the girl is holding an umbrella, and you can see some rains falling from the sky. Rainy, rainy. This is rainy. Rainy, very good. So, if you can see, the sky is raining, or it's like it's crying. The sky is crying. You need to have an umbrella. Next, we have sunny. Sunny. If there is a sun with no clouds and it's hot, it is sunny. Next, we have windy. Windy. As you can see, the girl is holding her umbrella and the wind takes her away. It's windy. Windy. Next, we have cloudy. Cloudy. If there are a lot of clouds in the sky and you cannot see any sun, that is cloudy. Cloudy. Next, we have stormy. Stormy. As you can see, there are rains and lightning and thunder and a strong wind. That is stormy. Stormy. You are not allowed to go outside your house if it is stormy. Stormy is rain with thunder and lightning. Stormy. So, now let us match the clothes. So as you can see here, we have rainy day. Rainy day. So which things you need to wear on a rainy day? Which things you need to wear on a rainy day? Very good. Umbrella. What else? Very good. The raincoat. So is this one, can you wear this on a rainy day? No, you cannot wear. So you have umbrella and raincoat for a rainy day. How about for a sunny day? For a sunny day, what clothes you wear on sunny day? Can you point your finger? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Very good. A slipper. You can wear slipper. And one. Okay, very good. A slipper and a sleeve. You can wear this on a sunny day. How about this one, the coat? Can you wear a coat on a sunny day? No, because it is very hot. Next, match the picture to its name. So this is stormy, stormy. And this is cloudy, cloudy. Now I will read the words and you tell me which word match the picture. Ready? Okay, this one is stormy, cloudy. Stormy, cloudy. Now I will read the words. Cloudy, stormy. Cloudy, stormy. So first, let us match stormy. Which word is stormy? So this is stormy. Cloudy, stormy. Can you point your fingers? Okay. Did you get the correct answer? Good job. Now this one. Cloudy. Cloudy. Can you point your finger? Very good. Cloudy. Can you say it again? Stormy. Cloudy. Good job. Next, we have windy. Windy. Sunny. Sunny. Again, windy. Windy. Sunny. Sunny. Now, I will read the word. Sunny, windy. Sunny, windy. First, we have to do windy. Where is the word windy? Very good, kids. That is windy. And sunny. Good job. Very good. Next, let us recall all the weather. So these are the weather. Say weather. Very good. This one is windy. Windy. Very good. Repeat after me. Sunny. Sunny. Stormy. Stormy. Rainy. Rainy. Cloudy. Cloudy. One more time. Windy, sunny, stormy, rainy, and cloudy. Good job. Very good. So these are the weather for today. Good job. See you again next time. Bye.